Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to withdraw money from Kraken to bank account. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So withdrawing money from your Kraken account is actually pretty simple. So first things first, you need to go to kraken.com, log in into your account, and once logged in, we need to access the transfer tab. So at the top left of your screen, go ahead and click on the transfer section, and from here what we need to do next is we need to go to the withdraw tab. So let's go ahead and click on it. Now, by the way, for you to access this feature, you have to complete the verification process first on your account. So if you haven't completed it yet, go ahead and click on the Get Verified button here and just follow the steps for you to get verified. Now, once you completed the whole step of verifying yourself, you'll be able to access the other settings that will be available in withdraw. Now, in this case, you also need to choose the currency and the method that you want to choose or use for the withdrawal. Now, depending on what currency you get here or choose here, you'll be able to access a few methods or other methods that is available for that currency. In this case, go ahead and choose that, and from there, click on the continue button that's at the bottom section. Now, on the next page, you need to provide your banking account or banking information. So in this case, you need to provide like account number or IBAN, the bank name, the BIC, and bank address as well. Now, in this case, once you've done that, just hit on continue, just follow the steps for you to fully withdraw your funds or money from your Kraken account. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.